Hello and welcome to Flying Mindset. Today we are going to talk about how you can design your life. Do you ever feel like you're just going through the motions, without any real direction or purpose? Maybe you're feeling stuck in your current job, or you're not sure what you want to do with your life. If so, you're not alone. Many people struggle with these feelings, but the good news is that you have the power to change your life. In this video, we'll explore the process of creating a life plan that aligns with your values and goals, and allows you to live a fulfilling and purposeful life. We'll go through 5 steps to help you design your life, and we'll provide you with practical tips and advice along the way. So, whether you're feeling lost, stuck, or just need some guidance, this video is for you. Step 1. Identify your values. The first step in designing your life is to identify your core values. These are the things that are most important to you and guide your decision-making. When you're clear on your values, you have a compass for your life. You can make choices that are aligned with your values, and avoid choices that go against them. To identify your values, take some time to reflect on what you truly care about. Ask yourself questions like, what brings me the most joy? What do I want my legacy to be? What makes me feel fulfilled? Write down your top 3 to 5 values, and keep them in mind as you move forward. Step 2. Define your goals. The next step is to define your goals. A goal is a desired outcome that you want to achieve. Goals give you a sense of direction and purpose, and they motivate you to take action. Your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This is known as the SMART goal-setting framework. When you're setting your goals, think about what you want to achieve in the short term, 1 to 2 years, and the long term, 5 to 10 years. You might have personal goals, like improving your health or relationships, or professional goals, like advancing your career or starting your own business. Write down your goals and make sure they align with your values. Step 3. Create a plan of action. Once you've defined your goals, it's time to create a plan of action. A plan of action is a series of steps that you'll take to achieve your goals. This is where the rubber meets the road. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Start by breaking down your long-term goals into smaller, achievable steps. What are the milestones that you need? Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. If you're not sure how to achieve a particular step, reach out to someone who has done it before or do some research. There are plenty of resources available to help you achieve your goals. Step 4. Prioritize your time. To design your life, you need to prioritize your time. Time is our most precious resource, and it's finite. You can always earn more money, but you can't earn more time. Identify the activities that are most important to you, and make sure you're spending your time on those activities. This may mean cutting back on activities that are not aligned with your values or goals, such as watching TV or scrolling through social media. To prioritize your time, create a schedule or a routine. Set aside time each day or each week for the activities that are most important to you. This might include exercise, spending time with loved ones, working on your goals, or pursuing your hobbies. Be realistic about how much time you have available and what you can accomplish in that time. It's better to focus on a few key activities and do them well, rather than trying to do too much and feeling overwhelmed. Remember to also prioritize self-care. Taking care of your physical and mental health is crucial to your overall well-being. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating healthy foods, and taking breaks when you need them. Prioritizing your time will help you design a life that's in line with your values and goals. Step 5. Review and adjust. Finally, designing your life is an ongoing process. You'll need to review and adjust your plan as you go along. This means checking in with yourself regularly to see if you're making progress towards your goals and if your plan is still aligned with your values. If you find that you're not making progress or that your plan needs to be adjusted, don't be afraid to make changes. Remember that life is unpredictable and there will be bumps in the road. It's important to stay flexible and adaptable, and to be kind to yourself when things don't go according to plan. By staying committed to your values and goals, and by being willing to adjust your plan as needed, you'll be well on your way to designing a life that's fulfilling and purposeful. That's it for this video on how to design your life. We hope that you found this information helpful and that you're feeling inspired to take action. Remember, designing your life is a process, and it won't happen overnight. But by taking small steps every day, and by staying committed to your values and goals, you can create a life that you're proud of. Thanks for watching.